All right, so you would have sent the client the link to the dashboard. All right, they will come to a page like this, or they would come to this page. This is version 0.01. So on the back end, I'm gonna maybe put at the bottom that this is version 1 somewhere, right? All right, so once they're there, we're gonna have them access the dashboard. All right. So client, right? Put the password, log in. Not now, because this is just a test. All right. And this is where the client comes to, right? So they'll be able to check their refund status. That's really what they're coming here for. So, right, this will be a link to the refund. This will be, the status and other information. So it'll be here. The coolest thing that I've added and that I really care about is this right here. So when we call them, we can say, hey, do the Google reviews. We can walk you through the Google reviews. They will click that, and then go to add the review, and then boom, they're adding their review. All right. So that's something, that's really cool that they have in the portal. All right. And again, well, they're already in this dashboard, so I don't know. Well, this is just the article about it, so I guess that's what that is. Then let's say they want to work with some other third-party organizations. Let's say this year they work with us, and then next year they don't work with us. They'll still be able to access up-to-date trending content, since this is something that we wouldn't necessarily spend resources on. It's just good. I'm not done building the rest of the site, so we're not going to worry about the rest of that. But this is what you want to make sure the client has access to. If there's a link, let's say we need them to upload, it would be put here. So they would just copy that link. Let's say it'll be a Google Drive link, and then they would put it in their browser so that they could upload their tax documents. So this is pretty much what I have right now. Again, this is the information that changes, so you'll be able to see what client it is. Just make sure it's there. I'll remove this because this is supposed to be on a portfolio site. So I need to make another version that's just a portfolio version. All right, so yeah, so again, thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, let me know, or just leave a comment. Or if you're being trained on this, you have a question, email us so that we can make this training better. Thank you so much.